For this activity, we're going to be learning about election and what happens during an election. So listen along as I read this article, and then we're going to answer some true-false questions down at the bottom. Here we go. Voting happens all the time. Voting means making a choice. Some votes are small and relatively unimportant. For example, when your class decides what game to play for PE, this choice impacts only one day. Some votes are very important and have a lasting effect. Every 4 years, America chooses a president. This leader will make decisions to help America. These decisions will shape America's future. Only adults can vote for leaders. Voting for leaders is called an election. In an election year, many people are trying to become the new leaders. Voters can choose new leaders for their city, state, and country. Voters also vote on new laws and taxes. All right, so now we're going to take this article and we're going to answer some questions, true, false. This first one says, kids can choose the president. Is that true or false? Next one, adults can choose the president. True or false? Voting is making a choice. True or false? Remember, friends, if you're not sure, go back in the text and try to find the answer. Next one says, an election is choosing leaders. True or false? Leaders are not important. True or false? And last one, leaders make decisions. True or false? Now for the bottom of this page, we want you to write the word. Voting for leaders is called an what? Is that called an election or is that called a country? Write the word on the line. Remember, friends, go back into the text to help you find your answers.